Hello, children. How's your life going? I hope everything must be good in your life. Now, first of all, tell me, have you completed your task of finding ingredients required to bake a cake? If you have done, so please appreciate it by showing on WhatsApp as you are doing in other subjects. But if you have not done, so I'll be really disappointed again. Why? Because since I have requested, hardly students have watched videos, and those who have watched videos, they haven't responded yet. So I'm really disappointed. So if you watch the video, you'll come to know about the interesting activities which is given to you. So do watch the video and then complete it and show it on WhatsApp, right? So students, last day the activity is related to today's topic. So let me tell you how chapter number 2, the surprising buns, the chapter name is surprising buns, based on delicious buns that are made by Mother Bustle. So Mother Bustle is a famous for her buns in the entire town, and Grumple Goblin wants to eat them too. So we have to find out that, does Grumple Goblin no steal the buns or buy the buns? वो buns को खाता है खरीद करके और चोरी करके. So we have to get the answer by reading the story. So now what happens? Every Saturday, Mother Bustle baked some currently buns for her brother. Policeman plodded along. He came to tea, and currant buns were his favorite tea time dish. So Mother Bustle has a brother named Plod Along, and he is a policeman. So what does he do? Every day, every Saturday, he comes to have tea, and along with the tea, he always wants to have currant buns. Currant means dried grapes. जो सूखे हुए grapes होते हैं, we call them currants. So he always wants to take or always wants to eat those buns that are made with currant, because it is his favorite tea time dish. Now, Mother Bustle used to put heaps of raisins and sprinkled loads of sugar on them. She used to bake them just before he came. He put them out on her kitchen windowsill to cool whilst she went upstairs to take a nap. So, when did she used to prepare buns? Every Saturday she used to prepare buns, and just before her brother came for tea. And what did she used to do with the buns? She used to put heaps of raisins. Heaps means a large amount of piled grapes के ही raisins जो I don't remember in Hindi, but yes, जो सूखे बड़े अंगूर होते हैं, grapes होते हैं, we call them raisins. So she used to keep heaps of raisins and sprinkle loads of sugar, and lots of sugar she used to sprinkle on the buns, because her brother liked such cakes or such buns. So after preparing buns, she used to keep buns on her windowsill. So now students, see, I have written here windowsill. So जो खिड़की के पास जो place होता है, we call it windowsill. So she used to keep buns on windowsill to let them dry, and after keeping buns on the windowsill, she used to go upstairs to take a nap. Take a nap means थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करने के लिए. Grumple Goblin, who lived in the cottage next door, always knew when Mother Bustle was baking buns because they smelled so good. He discovered that Mother Bustle always went upstairs after she had put out the buns. Now, Grumple Goblin, who lives just next to her. What he used to do, he always knew that after keeping the buns on the windowsill, she goes upstairs, वो ऊपर चली आती थी to take a rest, थोड़ा सा आराम करने के लिए. So what did she used to do? He came to know that she always does the same thing. She keeps the buns on the windowsill and she goes upstairs. Now what he did, let's see. Each Saturday, Grumple managed to take one or two buns off the sill. At first, Mother Bustle did not notice that any were gone, but when Grumple took four one Saturday, she frowned. Now, as Goblin Grumple came to know about her nature, about her habit to keep the buns on the windowsill and go upstairs. So, one Saturday, what he did, he took four. He took four buns from the windowsill, and finally she came to know that someone is there who has stolen her buns. So now she is very much angry. Now she says, now surely I made more buns. Now surely I made more buns than this. Now she decided to make more buns as they were less in number and her brother always had in good amount of buns. So she made more buns. What then said, oh dear, surely nobody is so mean as to steal buns from me. Now she is not able to, she wasn't able to think of that is there someone who is so mean, जो बहुत ही मीन हो, बहुत ही ऐसा ऐसा भी कोई हो सकता है गिरा हुआ, जैसे मीन का मतलब ऐसा कोई गिरा हुआ हो सकता है जो उसके बंस को चोरी करे. शी wasn't able to believe it. Now what she did, let's see. Mother Bustle could not imagine who could be stealing them. She was sure it wasn't Mr. Hoo-Ha, who lived on her right, and it could not be the Grumple Goblin because he was always so well mannered. अब now she started thinking that who could steal her buns. She was sure that it cannot be Mr. Hoo-Ha who lived next to her on right side, जो उनके घर के बगल में रहते हैं. And even she could not believe that Grumple Goblin can do so, because somewhere she believed that he is so mannered, well mannered boy, so he could not do so. Now Mother Bustle wondered what to do about it. Now she started thinking that what to do, कैसे क्या करना चाहिए to get to know that who is there who is there who's stealing her buns. Then she smiled a little to herself. I know, she said. Now she is thinking something and smiling also. वो हंसती है. Then she says that I know what to do. Now she got an idea that what to do. Now she said, I'll make my buns as usual, but I'll put some magic glue on the top of them instead of that sugary stickiness. Now she decided to keep some magic glue on the top of the buns instead of sugary stickiness. So what she used to do? She used to So what did she used to do? She used to sprinkle a good amount of sugar on the buns. So same ways, instead of sprinkle lots of sugar, she put magic glue on the top of the buns instead of sugary stickiness. So that so the next day So the next Saturday, she baked a batch of buns, and on some of them she spread some strong magic glue. So next Saturday, when she baked some other buns, so she put magic glue on the top of some buns. She puts she put these to cool out on the windowsill. The other she put to cool inside Then she went upstairs. Now, what she did, she put some of the cakes on them, she put magic glue on the windowsill, and some cakes, uh, on them she put sugary stickness she kept inside. Then again, after keeping the buns on windowsill, she went upstairs. Grumple saw the buns. He crept along quietly. Now again, Grumple noticed that Mother Bustle kept the buns and went upstairs. Again, he planned to go there and he went. He crept along quietly. It means very quietly he went to reach the buns, keeping behind the bushes. And he hid behind the bushes and took two of the buns. And finally, again, he stole two buns. Off he went to his cottage with them and put them down on a plate, but he could not put them down, they were stuck to his hand. Now, when he reached his home, he what he did generally when we have to take, if we keep something in our hand, कुछ hold करा है, कुछ रखा है, so we to have that, जो भी मेरे हाथ में है या हमारे हाथ में है, so we keep it on the plate. So he also did the same, that he dropped the buns into the plate, but what happened? They were stuck to his hand, but they did not know get off. वो उसी के हाथ में ही चिपके रह गए. Gracious goodness, said Grumple in alarm. Now suddenly he said, Oh God. He asked for help and said that woman has put too much sugar on them. Now he is thinking that Mother Bustle has put lots of sugar. That's why they were so sticky that they are not getting off his hands. They are as sticky as glue. Now he is thinking the buns or the sugary stickness as sticky as glue की तरह, वो जो sugar की stickness है वो glue की तरह हो गई है. That's why they are not coming off. So students, I'm just keeping the mark here, so that from the next time we'll start from here. And I would request you, even I would instruct you to read the chapter from the beginning, and the words which I have underlined, if you have dictionary, find their meanings. I have even while explanation, I have already told the meanings of every word. Still, I want you to go through the dictionary and find out the synonym of all the words and write here in your book, so that while reading, when you read the chapter, you'll come to know easily the meaning of the chapter, right? And one more thing you have to do is that yes, you have to complete your task. And children, I would say take care of yourself. Bye bye, see you soon.